Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make a clear borax glue slime. So I have 2 bowls full of water, 1, 2, and I'm with my brother.
Hello.
And first I have my clear glue slime. And first I have my clear glue. And you're going to add it into the first bowl of water. I think that's going to be enough. And we're going to mix that. Now Christopher, with me, is now going to
Pour
put
a little bit of borax.
pour a little bit of borax into the water.
So,
I mix this slowly so it wouldn't make bubbles because I want it to be clear.
okay,
No,
go.
not in there. In there.
Or in here. Okay.
To the water.
Water. Little bit of borax. Okay.
I'm going to get that number for a friend.
Come on. So,
Now you
I got
mix
another
that
fork.
gently, and I'm going to mix this gently. Well, you can mix it gently. Just mix it. Just mix it.
So to let it dissolve. And by the way, hot water is recommended for the better dissolving of the borax. So we try to get it to this tiny, really tiny pieces.
Let's put it in hot water.
Yeah.
Because this is not working with cold water. Do hot water.
Hot water, guys. Oh. Hello. I have a very good joke for y'all. So, why didn't the bear... No, okay. What do they call a bear with no socks? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you didn't guess it, it's called bare feet. Get it? Bare feet? Bear with no socks? Bare feet? Okay. So now we're going to wait for my sister to come back. And, well, we're going to make some clear slime. Okay, she's back now.
It's probably not that warm because this sink is not.
It's fine. It liquefied it. Okay. So now, you emptied it out. Oopsies. I forgot we had more. So we add a little bit of borax.
A little more. There.
Whoa.
That's a lot.
Actually, a little bit too much borax, but
That's way better. You see that still current? You have to let that dissolve. So while I'm letting it dissolve, I'm going to keep on. Yeah. Okay.
so you
And I
mix.
still got a lot left. I'll just add that.
You start popping it. And while she's doing that, I will be mixing the activator.
It's activated for this one. Yeah. This one.
Okay.
And so once it's dissolved, you want to slowly pour this in there. I'm going to do a little bit because it's a lot. It's making it into slime. Now I just popped it into my eye. Wow. That's cool. That's really cool. Whoa, that's really cool. Let's just set it down. Okay, get some more towels. Get some more towels. Get some more towels.
We'll be fine for right now.
Wow, this is actually really cool.
So once it starts to turn into more slime then
Yeah. You put way too much.
Way too much what? I put way too much what?
Way too much of that. That's hard.
But guys, if you had a little bit too much, all you have to do is put water in it. And maybe a little more glue, but yeah.
It's sticky.
So first you just start kneading it. And then, sooner or later, it will turn into, well, slime. So we'll just be kneading it. And, well, I could be giving y'all some jokes while my sister kneads it. So, first joke. Let's see. I have a big brain. Now let's see. First joke. Let's do the casual joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The interrupted cow.
The interrupted.
The insanely loud moo.
Wait, that's actually really turning good.
Okay, guys. Next joke. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
You want to play with this one?
I can play with it. Knock, knock, everybody. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ooh.
Ooh, what? Ooh, who?
Ooh, what are you, an owl? Or something like that. I'm very bad.
It's like, knock, knock, who's there? Who? Boo. Boo hoo. Isn't that how owls are? I don't really know.
Yeah.
What's in it here, and then I have slime all over my head. Yeah. So basically how it works is where if you get some of this slime and then coating it with that borax water, it'll turn into slime. Get your hands off of the plate. I'm trying to dip it in sugar. So I do this and it starts turning into slime. Yeah. Yeah. You add water, no borax water, because that'll make it even more.
Yes.
So, yeah. Don't do that.
You start kneading it and letting it catch some good air.
And so it won't be sticky.
You know, everyone likes some fresh air. If you don't like fresh air,
You're weird.
well, that's kind of offensive, but if you don't like fresh
Who
air,
doesn't like fresh air?
yeah, never mind. Yeah, there has to be something wrong. You have to like fresh air.
Did you actually know that one person in the world is allergic to air? Oh, and a little baby girl is allergic to water. If it touches her skin.
She breaks out in hives.
Yeah, and gets a rash. It's really sad.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So give this video a like and subscribe and share it with all your friends.
Because, you know, we just started uploading big time, and we're hoping to see if our videos can upload and pop up. So, yeah. Let's clean my hands off a little bit since there's so much leftover glue on it. Kind of like washing your hands, getting all the glue out of the crevices of your fingers.
Oh, and when you do that, you can, if you still have some glue left off like I do, you can pour that water in here. Okay. And it sticks to paper like all slime. I'll just put this in here. It's turning into slime.
Uh-oh, we gotta mix these two.
Ooh, that's such a...
So these bad things but air out.
This is really cool, guys. Even though glows. I mean, it lights up when you put it towards the sun. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands, but then we're gonna clean up this, and then we're gonna show you.
Yes. Little slime bounced on my face. Ooh!
Christopher,
Yes.
keep on telling some of your cool jokes.
Well,
Here you go.
let's see. Disgusting. So this is okay. Joke. What jokes? Let's do some kid-friendly jokes. Let's see. I am literally out of jokes.
Tell some of your old school jokes or crazy jokes that are not funny.
Oh. Well,
I have a joke.
yeah. I'm terrible.
Okay. What does a banana say to a peeled banana? It says, put some clothes on.
What? Okay, I have one.
Because it doesn't have any
So,
clothes.
what did the light say to the other light that was at the party? Hey, the party was lit. Get it? Lit.
That's actually really good, Christopher.
Get it by like lit. Oh, we low, we lit. And, well, lights are lit.
That's cool. Let me play with it and energize them.
Energize.
I got a lot of slides. Keep on adding water. If you put too much of that.
Yeah. Ow.
Well,
We'll see you later, guys.
we'll see you later. Like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up.
Cool.
Yes. Bye. Make sure you share this with your friends. And if you don't, I'm going to crush your friends.